Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Abodecor channel. I'm Luna, and I am so excited to share today's video with you. Spring is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to refresh your home decor. If you're like me, you love decorating for each season, but also want to get the most out of your existing pieces. In today's video, we'll explore how to repurpose your winter decor and give it a fresh springtime twist. Before we dive into the creative ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I love hearing about your seasonal decor ideas and how you make your home feel special for each occasion. Now, let's get started with transforming your winter wonderland into an Easter delight. Before we start repurposing decor, it's a great idea to declutter. Winter decor tends to be cozy and heavy, which can feel a bit out of place as the weather warms up. Take a few moments to assess your space and identify pieces that could be repurposed or need to be swapped out. Look for anything that's overly festive or too wintry, like snowflakes or frosty color schemes. Once you've cleared the space, think about the elements you'd like to carry over into spring. Perhaps your neutral tone throws or soft winter lights could be transformed into something more spring-like. Now, it's time to start brainstorming ways to give your decor a fresh seasonal vibe. Wreaths are a staple in winter decor, but don't toss them out just yet. If you have a winter wreath with pinecones or other seasonal accents, you can repurpose it for spring. Start by removing any pine needles or snowflakes and replace them with spring elements, such as pastel-colored flowers or greenery like eucalyptus. This simple swap can give your wreath a whole new life and prepare it for Easter. For a budget-friendly twist, consider using fabric flowers or even dried florals. If you have a little creativity, you can also add some playful elements like faux eggs or birds to give it that perfect springtime feel. Once you're done, hang it up on your front door or above a mantle to instantly transform your home's entrance. Winter textiles are all about warmth and comfort, with chunky knit throws and heavy pillows. Spring is the perfect time to lighten things up. Start by swapping out darker, heavier fabrics for lighter options like linen or cotton. You can still keep cozy elements in your home, but opt for more breathable fabrics in lighter colors like pale blues, soft pinks, and cream. You can repurpose your winter pillows by simply changing out the covers with pastel or floral patterns. Add some light, airy throw blankets to create a relaxing spring vibe while keeping the comfort you love. These small changes can completely change the feel of your space without the need to buy all new decor. Candle holders can be another great item to repurpose for spring. If you have winter-themed candle holders, like those with metallic finishes or holiday motifs, you can easily give them a fresh twist. Consider painting them in soft pastel colors or even adding some floral accents. The great thing about candle holders is their versatility. Just a little paint and some creativity can turn them into a charming addition to your spring decor. Another idea is to replace the candles with pastel-colored ones that align with spring's light and airy palette. You can also add decorative touches like fresh flowers or greenery around the base of the holder for a more natural look. These simple swaps will help create a warm, welcoming atmosphere without sacrificing your budget. Winter centerpieces often feature elements like pinecones, berries, and candles. To transition into spring, you can easily repurpose these pieces by swapping out the winter elements for spring flowers, such as tulips or daffodils. You can also replace the pinecones with decorative eggs or light pastel-colored stones for a more seasonal feel. If you have a large winter centerpiece that feels too heavy for spring, try lightening it up by using a glass vase filled with fresh or faux flowers. The transparency of glass will keep things airy, and adding a few fresh sprigs of greenery will breathe new life into your decor. Experiment with different flower combinations to create a centerpiece that captures the spirit of the season. Winter table settings can sometimes feel too formal or heavy for spring, but they can easily be updated with a few simple tweaks. Swap out dark-colored tablecloths or placemats for something light and breezy, like a linen table runner or pastel placemats. You can also replace heavier dinnerware with something more delicate and spring-inspired, such as plates with floral patterns or pale ceramic dishes. For a whimsical touch, add some fresh flowers or small vases to the table. You can even use a few sprigs of lavender or eucalyptus as a centerpiece, or place them along the length of your table for a subtle nod to the season. These simple changes will make your dining area feel fresh, light, and ready for Easter gatherings. Winter-themed decor often features accents like snowflakes, reindeer, or winter animals. These can easily be updated for spring by replacing them with symbols of the new season, such as bunnies, eggs, and birds. You can repurpose the figurines you already have by painting them in pastel shades or even adding floral decals. If you have winter animal figurines, a quick spray of pastel paint can bring them to life for spring. Add a cute bunny figurine to your bookshelf or a bird figurine to your dining table for a gentle nod to the season. You don't need to buy new items. Just get creative with what you already own. One of the simplest ways to update your home for spring is by changing out your winter wall art. Winter prints with snow scenes or cozy settings can easily be replaced with prints that feature flowers, greenery, or Easter themes. If you have frames that can be reused, just switch out the artwork inside with pieces that represent the beauty of the spring season. If you're feeling crafty, consider DIYing some spring-inspired prints by painting or drawing simple flowers, birds, or abstract spring scenes. Another fun idea is to create a springtime gallery wall by combining a few framed prints with items like pressed flowers or nature-inspired decorations. These personal touches will make your home feel warm and inviting. Winter lighting tends to be a bit more subdued, with warm, cozy tones. But as we transition into spring, it's all about brightening up your space. Start by swapping out heavy dark lampshades for lighter, more vibrant ones in pastel colors or soft whites. If you have string lights, replace the warm-toned bulbs with white or multicolored ones for a more cheerful atmosphere. Another great idea is to add some fresh spring-themed light fixtures, such as lantern-style lights with floral designs or candle holders with a more airy feel. You can also hang string lights around your windows or in your garden to bring the charm of spring indoors, making your home feel fresh and alive. Your entryway is the first impression guests have when they visit, so it's important to transition it for the new season. If you have a large, wintry entryway arrangement with branches, pine cones, or heavy baskets, consider switching those out for lighter decor like wicker baskets filled with faux flowers or pastel-colored rugs. One easy change is to replace any winter-themed mats or runners with something that has a floral or geometric design. Adding a fresh bouquet of spring flowers by the door will also make a lovely and welcoming statement. Your entryway should set the tone for the season, so make sure it feels bright and inviting. Garlands are another winter decoration that can be repurposed for spring. If you have garlands made of pine, holly, or other seasonal elements, give them a makeover by adding artificial flowers or greenery. You can also incorporate pastel ribbons or decorative eggs for a more spring-like feel. If you want to keep things simple, try using greenery garlands that you can leave as is or lightly decorate with tiny spring florals. Hang these on your mantle, drape them across your dining table, or use them as accents for your windowsills. Garlands are a great way to add a natural touch to your space without too much effort. It's not just about the indoors, your outdoor spaces can also benefit from a spring refresh. If you have winter porch decor like heavy doormats or seasonal wreaths, replace them with lighter, more vibrant pieces. A cute spring doormat with a cheerful message or pastel-colored planters filled with flowers will instantly brighten up your outdoor space. You can also repurpose any outdoor winter decor by swapping out frosty elements with fresh floral arrangements or hanging baskets filled with colorful flowers. The goal is to create an inviting atmosphere that reflects the new season. A simple, natural touch can make your porch feel fresh and ready for spring gatherings. Thank you so much for watching today's video on how to repurpose your winter decor and transition it into a spring wonderland. I hope you found these ideas inspiring and fun to try in your own home. Remember, you don't have to buy all new items to update your space. Just get creative with what you already have. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I love hearing how you're repurposing your decor for spring, and I can't wait to share more seasonal home decor ideas with you soon. Until next time, take care and happy decorating.